That video today, right? I said, no, they're going to notice. No, they're not going to notice. When did they make that video?
So you have to know when we make my video, Lava?
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Well, God bless up first and foremost. I will on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs. So subscribe if I your first time over here, so Punny channel. Anyways, viewers, so Rebel Dan get her designer, but here's a prick. And so far, she make a one post so she want to try make the people them know it's a hint. You see it? But what you think after everything we show on in other video?
Nobody's gonna know. I can't. Oh my God.
Hello, good night.
Where you are with me, man?
I pretty down on me.
One one. Put on face. One.
I pretty down on me. Well, I'm sorry, I pretty down over here. You know, me probably afraid to ask a question. I'm pretty down on that.
You not ask me no question. That's
me not asking a question. Me not ask a question. Me not ask a question, Rebel. Now I got added and pretty than now.
A good.
Me no know. Me no know Instagram I go on with.
A good.
So I go on, Rebel. So that video there today.
Which video?
People, all white, dear Rev, May 15. Milk. Burn up. So may I say to you now, Rebel, right? That video there today, right? I said, no, they're gonna notice. No, they're not gonna notice. When did they make that video?
So you have to know when we make my video, Lava?
Okay. Pretty than a ask, an era ask.
Era not ask something coming over here watch the show.
No, man, you've been attacked from the idea. Yeah, they must say. You say never know, so I say come down a little bit.
Come down a little bit, what I mean?
Same say you come down a little bit, you know about the little and neat. Same you must say I must. So I say, nah man, I must look at, look at app shop and phone kind of say Rebel full of them look at something there. You understand me?
Weak.
So we don't know what go on. So you there know, so what go on?
When I go over my page, you look what go on. I'm not telling you nothing.
Eh?
What is wrong with you? You ever want in my business? You wear that and put it on.
Hey, hey, God do.
Love mix up, you know?
Hey, one thing is we run very serious, some serious joke over here. Well on there. Well on there. Watch her back done.
You're pretty damn boy, your body Rebel, your body needs some whipped cream, and then when she come by you, you ask her the thing.
So nah add. John, I'm vexed say nah add.
Why not add?
Me no know.
Hey, me no want to no FaceTime me. Lava don't make pretty than FaceTime me. Don't FaceTime me.
Hey, but look here. The world dog go fight or something here. I make the man stretch my head back, you know.
I will post that.
No world dog just post it.
When you do that to your head back, Lava your head shine still, you know?
Them have, and I said Michael Jordan head not shine.
I don't know Michael Jordan, you know. Give me look at the ice cream that I get here.
So, all right, back to where I sit here.
What's that?
Rebel.
Yeah?
Be careful of the ice cream. I put on back the fat.
I never put the ice cream on. No.
So what going on now? So people want to say, so them say they want to say stand up.
I'm not standing up. Me nah stand up. Me nah stand up.
Alright then, I go cut you off then add back Dan then. Are you
Me
there?
nah
And go
go
and
back
listen
to
to Dan.
so
Alright, go
anything
and
you
listen to
talk.
Dan. Go and listen to Dan, because Dan a
Me
type.
no
Go and hear
want
Dan.
hear Dan.
No, bye.
Bye.
Alright, bye. Right here, that I say.
Lord God, remember. Christ. I rub my race, the mama draw find no more. Right now, mama, she. Hey, remember, you know how long me know say I got France go the body. A long time. Because from me sitting on the body jar, they start jump for about 5-6 months now. And
Yeah?
yo, when me I watch Rebel at first, they used to have bunks, but the body start going turbo for about 4 or 5 months. Now me I say, yo, the body they look doing,
Right.
Then Rebel go get titty lava. Remember, so you start rush her in our inbox a back fist, Remember, you never did a back fist of a Rebel when that Rebel did look like a little tomboy. No, when that Rebel did favor me, you never want her.
So we don't want somebody to favor you.
No intent.
Man, nah lie. Shut and laugh.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your talk, and shut and laugh is not a safe place.
You think me ugly youth? Look, hey, no, back to Rebel body. Rebel,
Yeah.
you need 2 or 3 scoop of ice cream on the body the right and I'm see draft the warriors. But as I move, so. Rebel, me can't say a freak long time. I want touch you right now. What do you see there? Mr. TC go do him body to what? Come out, go there.
Yeah?
Yeah, everybody body do around there now. Bad man, they tell us.
Pretty too?
I don't know, because I did not see pretty in that activity. What I saw was Rebel. Rebel have designer everything. Designer.
No, that's Trace TC. Trace TC.
No, TC have a real body, man. I feel body that for a longer time. Yeah, man, that's the TC body, brother. TC did don't have that the body there. What you mean fat transfer? No, me did see TC with that the body the long time. You two fucking mix up the year. What the fuck? You up on the live? You there in a TC blood clot belly? I don't know nothing about that, love. That is misinformation.
Hold on, Rebel some for Adaba. Rebel some for Adaba.
Yeah.
About Rebel. Golden, you love the mix up here, Golden. Rebel, why wait? You know, one time I say, man, Jesus Christ. Rebel, why wait? Rebel, don't do that.
Yo. Me don't want nobody call me after this, Me don't want to deal up with me, You and Pretty Dan don't deal with me.
What me do?
Yo, Pretty Dan, want me to say some,
So she still make you ever stand out to you, see?
Me not even know how for class, see. What
is Pretty Dan saying?
Me don't know Pretty Dan saying that, see.
What is Pretty Dan
Pretty Dan say want put some ice cream for my body.
What? Pretty Dan.
3 scoop of ice cream.
Pretty Dan, that's not nice.
Pretty Dan, you come on now. Stop the foolishness now, man.
Listen, Janos Medical Spa, I go, right? That is it. Any information, I go over there, go ask them, or go up on my page.
So
Pretty
spa,
Dan.
so spa and like place like you
go
go.
over my page, I look on the app. I won't elaborate. Pretty Dan, you can't FaceTime me.
So I ask you a question. So FaceTime, so spa and like you're going and the massage and going and go
them
to
do a variety of things. But them I say from up top boss video. Them time they nothing to do to me yet. It's on my belly hang over.
Oh, okay.
I say every night I string up TC, it take a long for take off something for you like TC.
But keep away from the fatty food though.
Remember say you fit. Remember say my mom guy now. I'm a burn fat fast. I love dance. I'm in a race. Remember the fat
But
them.
you make the
You
fat come
keep
here.
to keep
You make the
them.
but you gotta make the fat come back when your belly and go something there.
No, it now come back. You have your mad. But you have to keep the fat them alive. Then after you heal and everything, you start. You understand?
Oh, so probably like next Monday we can call it a stand up.
No. And it's stand up on my page.
So why you can't stop over chat and laugh?
I tell myself I gotta do my nose. I don't like you over here, you know. But your blood clot, yeah, you sit too much. I love my nose alone.
It was pretty that boy. You and TC come like KFC, big deal. Everybody want them.
Yeah, man, I saw pretty dance here.
Pretty Dan is so rude.
So rude, man, Auntie TC. I come off your life, you know. I'm not able. I remember your people mouth over your at.
All right, then. Well, just go and watch my advert pretty that. Pretty that type of bag.
Me now watch nothing.
You have to watch.